Top of the day to you peoples. It's a beautiful cold Saturday morning at 10:20 a.m. We got no heat call. It's 41 degrees outside and it's a beautiful day. Anyways, apparently somebody stuck their fingers in it and didn't fix it. So guess who gets the call? Big Daddy Bo. Let's go do this, man. See what's going on with this. We got nothing. Nothing. Let's see where your thermostat's at. It's probably in the other room. It should be down here. Yep, right there. There's blow. There's. Why is that valve half open? See? We got heat going there. It's got heat. 78. It's got heat. See what's going on with the thermostat. He's got it set on 80. Kick it up a little bit. See what's going on, man. That's old heater. You have to recalculate. Nothing. Most likely got some residual heat. It's only like 68 degrees on there. You can sometimes manually open these up. Let's see if it's getting any hotter. Set 88, 92, starting to raise. 27, and that's going back down. Yeah, it's going down. 107. That's 107 down there. 88. It's closed, man. Let's see if I can't pop that case off. Get in now. Let's see what's going on with this. Doesn't look like you can get in there. There it goes. Get that case off of there. That's one of the old ones. These are old valves. Let's see if I can get a light on that. There we go. There we go. Whoops. You hear it? It's starting to get hot now. Yeah, that valve's most likely no good. It's got a manual on the side. I don't know if you can't see it, but back here, it's got a little switch. You push all the way back and up, and it manually holds that valve open. See, I'm at 121 degrees now. So let's go in the bedroom, check it out. Hear it popping?
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah. It's 157 degrees, 180. Are you gonna get you nice and warm now? That valve needs to be replaced. I mean, it's a whole new valve has to be put in. It's what it is. It's just worn out. That's original valve. It's just not. I manually pushed it over and lifted it up and locked it into place, so it's on all the time.
Okay.
The only way I could slow it down would be to partially shut the valve. Here, let me show you, bro. This is going to be easier for you. That way you don't have to have any problems, okay?
Okay.
I just want to make it easier for you. So, This valve right here is a shut-off valve. And it's a ball cock valve, which means it only goes halfway, right? So when you shut that, you can watch the temperature start to drop. It's 150. See, it's starting to drop.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I did was I shut off the flow of water. But if you just pull it about halfway,
Right.
then it'll start rising again.
Okay.
So what I'll do, it's 95. It's still going to come through hot water, but it's not going to let as much fly by.
Okay.
So if you get cold, you can just easily just push the valve all the way back. You know, we'll let it, just keep it wide open for now.
Okay.
And it'll circulate and warm your apartment up for you. But if you start getting hot, it just pulls the valve about right there.
Okay.
You don't want to shut it off all the way because then you'll get cold again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you pull it about halfway, then it'll slow the water flow down. But he's going to have to replace his valve.
Okay.
I ain't hating on you, number 5, man. I love you. But you got to walk through all that stuff, man. That's the hard part about working on those boiler systems, man. If you don't have a thermal gun, it's real hard to see if the water's flowing. And if you have a thermal gun, you can see it real quick. You know, that temperature rising, it's getting hot, blah, blah, blah. But I'm not hating on him because I did that once before too, where I just replaced the thermostat thinking it was good to go and not have the thermal gun. And I did the same thing. So anyways, so come Monday, we'll be over there replacing the valve. It's a simple fix, man. Shut the water off, cut the valve out, put a new in, but we'll do the Pro Press because I'm not sweating that, man. I'm not sweating it. That is way too tight. That's wood based, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, we'll see you Monday morning, man. Peace out, bro.